Okay, let's start by solving an inequality with division in the first one. So I'm going to use the inequality 3x is less than 15. In order to solve for the values of x, I would divide both sides by 3. If I divide by 3, then I'm getting x all alone. X would be everything less than 15 divided by 3 is 5. Okay, now a newer concept that we're introducing is what if I had given you the inequality negative 3x is less than 15? Brand new problem. If this was the case, I would divide by a negative 3 in order to detach these two. If I divide by a negative, what ends up happening is the inequality sign flips and goes the other direction. So originally it was a less than, and now it's going to be a greater than because I divided by negative 3. The reason that this happens is because as the negatives get larger, examples negative 8, negative 9, negative 10, those numbers are bigger, but if they're negatives, then their value is less. Now, the reason I have a third column here is I want to show you something that I don't want you to do. If you get something like this, 3x is less than negative 15. And you say, okay, so let me divide both sides by 3. The inequality sign doesn't flip this time. Just because this number is negative doesn't mean that it's going to flip. The flips only happen when you divide by a negative. Okay, so this sign will stay as a less than, and your answer would be negative 5. So in this video, the only time that the inequality sign flipped was example 2 when we divided by a negative 3.